Planning a cruise to Puerto Vallarta? In this guide, we'll show you what to expect when you arrive, how to get around, the city's top attractions, local foods to try, practical travel tips, and a few fascinating facts that make Puerto Vallarta one of the Mexican Riviera's most beloved ports. If you enjoy practical cruise guides, destination tips, and advice to help you make the most of your time ashore, consider subscribing so you never miss an upcoming destination. Now, let's explore Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta is located on Mexico's Pacific coast in the state of Jalisco, along the beautiful shoreline of Banderas Bay, one of the world's largest natural bays. Puerto Vallarta welcomes cruise ships at the Marina Vallarta Maritime Terminal, located in the Hotel Zone about 3 miles north of downtown, and the famous Malecón. The port features 3 main cruise piers, allowing multiple ships to dock at the same time. Pier 1 serves as the primary terminal and is home to the main passenger facilities, while Piers 2 and 3 accommodate additional ships during busy cruise days. Between Piers 1 and 2, you'll also notice a smaller dock used by local excursion boats and sightseeing tours. If your ship is berthed at one of the outer piers, you'll simply follow the clearly marked pedestrian walkway. The port also operates a complimentary shuttle trolley that continuously transports passengers between the outer piers and the main terminal entrance. No matter which pier your ship docks, all passengers exit through Puerto Mágico, a modern shopping and entertainment complex. Now that you've arrived and made your way through the cruise terminal, let's take a look at the different ways to get around Puerto Vallarta and find the transportation option that's right for you. One of Puerto Vallarta's biggest advantages as a cruise destination is how easy it is to explore. If your plans include exploring the mile-long Malecón, walking is one of the most enjoyable ways to experience Puerto Vallarta. Keep in mind that downtown is located about 3 miles from the cruise terminal, so most cruise passengers choose transportation to reach the area before continuing on foot. Licensed taxis are easy to find throughout Puerto Vallarta. For lower fares, many visitors walk outside the cruise terminal to catch a city taxi, which is usually less expensive than the fixed-rate taxis inside the port. Since most taxis don't use meters, be sure to agree on the fare before your trip begins. Uber is widely available in Puerto Vallarta and offers convenient, fixed pricing through the app. Since rideshare pickups aren't allowed inside the cruise terminal, simply walk outside the main gates before requesting your ride. Public buses are one of the most affordable ways to explore Puerto Vallarta, with fares costing about 10 Mexican pesos per ride. Simply exit the cruise terminal, cross to the Walmart side of the boulevard, and look for buses marked Centro or Malecón to reach downtown in about 15 to 20 minutes. When returning to the ship, board a northbound bus marked Walmart or Marina, which will stop just across from the cruise terminal. Water taxis provide a scenic way to reach the beautiful beaches and villages south of Puerto Vallarta that can't be reached by road. Most boats depart from Los Muertos Pier, with popular destinations including Yelapa, Quimixto, and Las Animas. Now that you know how to get around, let's explore the places that make Puerto Vallarta one of the Mexican Riviera's most memorable cruise destinations. Located about 1.5 to 2 miles north of the cruise terminal, Marina Vallarta offers a quieter, more upscale atmosphere. Here you'll find luxury yachts, waterfront restaurants, cafes, boutique shops, and a pleasant boardwalk perfect for a leisurely stroll. For visitors looking for panoramic views, El Faro Lighthouse, located at the entrance of Marina Vallarta, offers one of the city's best overlooks. Although reaching the top requires a moderate uphill walk, the reward is breathtaking views of the marina, the surrounding mountains, and Banderas Bay. It's a wonderful place to enjoy a drink while taking in Puerto Vallarta from above. About 3 miles south of Marina Vallarta Cruise Terminal is Puerto Vallarta's famous oceanfront promenade, the Malecón. Stretching for about a mile along Banderas Bay, the Malecón serves as the heart of the city, where locals and visitors gather to walk, relax, dine, shop, and enjoy spectacular ocean views. As you stroll along the waterfront, you'll discover colorful public art, impressive bronze sculptures, street performers, local artists, cafes, and countless opportunities to stop and admire the Pacific Ocean. One of the Malecón's most distinctive features is its collection of large outdoor sculptures. Among the most recognizable are the seahorse, the rotunda of the sea, nature as mother, and the boy on the seahorse, each adding its own unique character to the waterfront. Just a few blocks from the waterfront stands Puerto Vallarta's most recognizable landmark, the Church of Our Lady of Guadalupe. Its beautiful crown-topped tower has become the symbol of the city and can be seen from many locations throughout downtown. Inside, visitors will find elegant architecture, stained glass windows, and a peaceful atmosphere that welcomes people from around the world. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply appreciating local culture, the church is well worth a visit. South of the Kuala River lies Zona Romantica, often called the Romantic Zone or Old Town. This charming neighborhood is known for its cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, boutique hotels, art galleries, cafes, and lively atmosphere. It's one of the city's most walkable neighborhoods and an excellent place to browse local shops. Just a short walk from Zona Romantica is Los Muertos Pier. Its striking sail-shaped design has become one of Puerto Vallarta's modern landmarks and serves as the departure point for water taxis traveling to beaches south of the city. Even if you're not taking a boat, the pier offers panoramic views of Banderas Bay and is especially beautiful around sunrise and sunset. Puerto Vallarta's best-known beach is Playa Los Muertos. Despite its unusual name, which translates to Beach of the Dead, the beach is lively, welcoming, and filled with restaurants, beach clubs, and water activities. Visitors can rent lounge chairs, enjoy fresh seafood, swim in the calm waters of Banderas Bay, or simply relax while watching boats come and go. If you have a full day in port and enjoy nature, consider visiting the Vallarta Botanical Gardens, located about 30 minutes south of downtown. Surrounded by the Sierra Madre Mountains, the gardens feature tropical plants, orchids, jungle walking trails, and opportunities to spot colorful birds and butterflies. It's a peaceful escape from the busy waterfront and offers a completely different perspective of Puerto Vallarta's natural beauty. For travelers looking to go even farther, let's take a look at some of the area's most popular shore excursions and unforgettable experiences. One of Puerto Vallarta's most famous natural attractions is Los Arcos Marine Park. These dramatic granite rock formations rise from the waters of Banderas Bay and have become an iconic symbol of the region. The protected marine park is a favorite destination for snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, and sightseeing cruises thanks to its clear waters and abundant tropical fish. Even if you don't enter the water, cruising past Los Arcos offers some of the most spectacular scenery along Mexico's Pacific coast. For travelers looking to escape the crowds, Yalapa offers a peaceful retreat that's accessible only by boat. This small fishing village is known for its quiet beaches, laid-back atmosphere, jungle surroundings, and welcoming local community. Many excursions include time to relax on the beach, enjoy fresh seafood at waterfront restaurants, or hike to the village's picturesque waterfall. It's an excellent choice for visitors seeking a slower pace and a glimpse of traditional coastal life. Another popular excursion is Las Caletas, a secluded beach surrounded by lush tropical forest. Accessible only by boat, this private cove offers opportunities for swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, and simply relaxing beneath swaying palm trees. Depending on your excursion, you may also find nature walks, cultural demonstrations, and beachside dining included as part of the experience. If you're visiting between December and March, you may have the opportunity to witness one of Puerto Vallarta's most unforgettable natural spectacles. Each winter, humpback whales migrate thousands of miles to the warm waters of Banderas Bay to breed and give birth. Many cruise lines and local operators offer dedicated whale-watching excursions, where sightings of breaching whales, playful calves, and dramatic tail slaps are common during the season. Adventure seekers can explore another side of Puerto Vallarta by heading into the Sierra Madre Mountains on an ATV or UTV excursion. These guided tours travel along rugged dirt roads, through small villages, tropical forests, and scenic mountain trails. For an unforgettable adrenaline rush, consider one of Puerto Vallarta's world-famous zipline adventures. Many courses are located high in the Sierra Madre rainforest, where you'll soar above rivers, waterfalls, and lush jungle canopies. If relaxation is more your style, a luxury catamaran cruise offers a wonderful way to experience Puerto Vallarta from the water. These excursions often include scenic sailing, snorkeling opportunities, onboard refreshments, and plenty of time to simply enjoy the stunning coastline. After an exciting day exploring Puerto Vallarta's coastline, mountains, and hidden beaches, it's time to experience another side of the city, its incredible cuisine, local traditions, and vibrant culture. One of the best ways to experience Puerto Vallarta is by trying its famous street tacos. Freshly grilled meats, handmade tortillas, flavorful salsas, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime come together to create simple yet unforgettable meals. Popular choices include al pastor, carne asada, birria, and fish tacos, each offering its own unique flavor. Being located on the shores of Banderas Bay means fresh seafood is always on the menu. Many local restaurants serve grilled shrimp, snapper, mahi-mahi, octopus, lobster, and other fresh catches prepared using traditional Mexican recipes. Whether you're dining at a casual beachfront cafe or an upscale waterfront restaurant, seafood lovers will have no shortage of excellent choices. One dish you shouldn't miss is ceviche. Prepared using fresh fish or shrimp marinated in lime juice and mixed with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and peppers, ceviche is refreshing, flavorful, and especially enjoyable on a warm tropical afternoon. For visitors interested in local traditions, consider trying raicilla. Produced in the mountains of Jalisco, raicilla is a traditional agave spirit that predates modern tequila and has become an important part of the region's cultural heritage. Puerto Vallarta's warm climate also makes it the perfect place to enjoy fresh tropical fruit and traditional aguas frescas. You'll find refreshing drinks made from watermelon, hibiscus, tamarind, pineapple, mango, and other seasonal fruits throughout the city. Mariachi originated in the state of Jalisco and has become a worldwide symbol of Mexican culture. Featuring violins, trumpets, guitars, and colorful charro suits, these lively performances remain a highlight for many visitors to Puerto Vallarta. Now that we've explored Puerto Vallarta's flavors and traditions, let's cover a few practical travel tips, including money, weather, safety, and accessibility to help you make the most of your day ashore. The official currency is the Mexican peso, and while credit cards and US dollars are widely accepted, carrying a small amount of pesos is recommended for everyday purchases and tips. Use bank-operated ATMs for the best exchange rates, pay in pesos whenever possible, and keep small bills handy for taxis, buses, street vendors, and local shops. Visa and MasterCard are accepted at most restaurants, hotels, and larger businesses, while Uber and other rideshare apps offer convenient cashless payment options. Tipping is appreciated throughout Puerto Vallarta, with 10 to 15% at restaurants and small cash tips for drivers, baggage handlers, and hotel staff being customary. Puerto Vallarta enjoys a warm tropical climate year-round, with pleasant temperatures and sunshine in every season, making it a popular cruise destination throughout the year. Dry season, from November through April, expect sunny skies, lower humidity, and comfortable temperatures, perfect for beaches, sightseeing, and whale watching. Rainy season, from June through October, afternoons often bring brief tropical showers, while mornings are usually sunny. This season offers lush green scenery, fewer crowds, and lower prices. Before heading ashore, check the latest weather forecast to help plan your day and any outdoor activities. Puerto Vallarta is considered one of Mexico's safest coastal destinations, but it's still wise to stay aware of your surroundings, secure your valuables, and avoid common tourist scams in busy areas. Drink bottled or purified water, eat at busy, well-reviewed restaurants, and protect yourself from the tropical sun with sunscreen, plenty of water, and insect repellent. Always pay attention to beach safety flags and ocean conditions. Avoid swimming near river mouths, and be especially mindful of weather during the June through November rainy season. Respect local laws by avoiding smoking or vaping in public areas and using authorized taxis, Uber, or other reputable transportation services for a safe and enjoyable visit. The Puerto Vallarta Cruise Terminal is wheelchair accessible with direct pier docking, flat paved walkways, accessible restrooms, and a free shuttle trolley that transports passengers from the farther piers to the main terminal. Wheelchair-accessible vans can be arranged in advance. Many public buses are equipped with wheelchair lifts, and taxis are readily available just outside the terminal. Across the street, you'll find a shopping mall and Walmart connected by paved sidewalks, while the Malecon features a smooth, level waterfront promenade that is fully wheelchair accessible. Beyond the Malecon, the historic center becomes more challenging due to uneven cobblestone streets, narrow sidewalks, and high curbs, so additional planning may be needed for wheelchair users. With the practical information covered, let's finish our visit with a few fascinating facts that make Puerto Vallarta even more unique. Quick fact number 1. The church's famous crown. The iconic Church of Our Lady of Guadalupe is topped by an ornate crown said to represent the crown worn by Empress Carlota of Mexico. Today, it's one of Puerto Vallarta's most recognizable landmarks. Quick fact number 2. The Boy on the Seahorse. The famous Boy on the Seahorse statue along the Malecon has become an unofficial symbol of Puerto Vallarta. It's one of the city's most photographed landmarks and a favorite meeting spot for visitors. Quick fact number 3. Puerto Vallarta gained international fame in the 1960s during the filming of The Night of the Iguana. The movie attracted worldwide attention and helped transform this quiet fishing village into one of Mexico's premier beach destinations. Quick fact number 4. Home to one of the world's largest natural bays, Puerto Vallarta sits along Banderas Bay, one of the largest natural bays in the world. Its calm waters are ideal for sailing, snorkeling, whale watching, and countless other water activities. Quick fact number 5. Humpback whale season. If you're visiting between December and March, you may be lucky enough to spot magnificent humpback whales that migrate to Banderas Bay each winter to breed and give birth, making Puerto Vallarta one of the best whale-watching destinations in Mexico. Whether you're visiting Puerto Vallarta for the first time or returning for another cruise, we hope this guide has helped you feel more confident about what to expect and how to make the most of your day ashore. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cruising with CJ, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next cruise port guide. I'm CJ, helping you cruise smarter, one port at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next port.